me, Lila, and today I will be doing my slime collection. And we're about to go somewhere. That's why I have all my stuff on. But I can do my slime collection still. I have 8 slimes, and I will be showing you all of them. And they don't have, some of them have names, but some of them don't. That's okay. And yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, so let's get right into it. The first slime, what do I want to go with? I'm going to go with this one. Oh, no, fell. Not that one, this one. This one's a poop one. It's barely getting up. There we go, I got it open. I need you real. I still shut it, but I need you real. I can only get some of it out, but I'm trying to get this thing out. It's supposed to come out. I know it is. Wait. Uncle.
What? With? Some young fine animal.
Yo, get them. They want you.
Mind your business and shut up.
You shut up.
What they tell me does not concern you. So shut your damn mouth.
So it is white. It's awesome. It's hard to see, but it's white. It's hard to see, and I like this one. I never even really played with this one that much. I barely even play with my slimes anymore. Oh, a charm came out. Okay. So, I'm trying to get this out.
What do you want?
I'm trying to get the other charm out. I can't get it out though.
What do you want?
I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. I had to get this out. I can't get it out. Gonna be no misses. I put it into a little bally. It's so cute. It looks like an eggy. It looks like an egg, guys. It looks like an eggy. No, it's not. Well, it's not an eggy. It's so stretchy. Kiss all your pups. Thought I had enough. I needed someone. Say which one I said.
My phone's doing all.
That's upstairs.
Oh, so it is. Got my soda sitting there.
Don't worry, we all did.
Any weather now?
I don't know yet.
Oh, that's right.
Holiday.
Yeah.
Douchebags day.
What did you say?
Whatever I wanna.
That was rude. Oh yeah. You didn't serve attention.
Ain't had a good president yet, so what the hell is there a difference? I can say douchebag day if I want to. They're all fucking douchebags.
You are.
Ain't a good president yet.
Yeah. Not you though, cause you're the stupidest elf ever. Kids of your problems, thought I had enough. I needed so. Say which one I said. Okay, I have a special guest, and today's special guest is Jamal Please. I'm gonna show you my brother. So today, my brother is my special guest. He will be popping in and out of the video soon. He's grumpy today. KK, say hi. And I got this term out of it. I got that term out of it. That's it.
What's that soda? I forgot it.
I need some. Say which one I say. I'm singing thank you thank you. Yeah, thank you next. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's what it was.
Hello?
I'm like, what the fuck is Brad doing? So I just hung the phone up.
You got your phone, I'm guessing.
Oh,
I thought that's the one you lost.
No cage. KK.
Oh.
No cake. No, KK, look. Daughter had enough. I need a song. The next slime I'm going to show you is this amazing slime putty. It's putty slime, I don't know.
Okay.
It's so hard to get.
Alright.
There it is.
Can you stop yelling?
What?
You shut up.
He's gonna have the key now out to me tomorrow. For the break.
Kids of your problem. Daughter had enough. I need a
Strawberries
song.
and cream marshmallows.
Guys, here's the container. Like,
I left it in there all night.
this is what it looks like.
It's a half fucking bottom.
It'll fit right in the container. Look, KK, it's crazy. Correctness at Tiffany's and Bibles and Bibles. I live my doors
Alright, me and
for
stepdad, he's on the way to the hospital.
Who?
No. Oh, yeah,
Yeah. I got one more.
You can't play with aliens.
You
Haha.
did it last night, I didn't clean it yet.
well, hurry up and get it done.
Haha. Shouldn't have taken. Shouldn't have. Almost abused the dog.
What? Quit running your track.
Maya,
What?
get out of it.
Because it's true.
It's none of your concern.
None of
So
yours.
shut your fucking trap
Maya, stay out of it.
before you're next.
You're not doing that to me.
You want to bet?
Yeah, I do.
Maya.
I let her out of her cage.
Why?
Because she was
Brandon,
being.
don't listen.
He was abusing the dog.
Yo, Daisy.
You don't want one I gave you one up there.
Why are you in? I'll go let her fuck back out. I don't give a shit. She needs to stay the fuck outside for a while.
You do.
What?
Oh yeah. How did I forget? He ain't gonna watch her. He don't want you, that's why.
Maya, shut up.
No, it's the truth.
Shut up. Mind your
I can
business.
express my feelings.
Mommy wants.
Okay, I'm coming! Okay, move. I'm coming. I'm sorry, guys.